Here we go, box of Anthology, mnum. This stuff is disgusting. We have, I feel like pretty much all the new releases, Clark. This is about what we go through. This one, I mean, obviously, the better it is, the more you go through, so this one's been a good one, so we've gone through quite a bit, but it's pretty I mean, wait till Prime comes out, Clark. Wait till Prime comes out. Oh my gosh. That's going to be ridiculous. Jason Pominville, Cup Contenders to $9.99. Fat one. We got all summer to wait for that, though. There you go, Legacies of Brett Hall to $9.99. Another fat. That one feels extra fat. Yeah, this one's super thick. Like, it's hardcore. Yep, 12-box case. Oh, nice. Mike Connolly. Aspirations number 100. Aspirations of Mike Connolly and Joe Thornton. Game-worn gear. My only question with Anthology, why did they make a status and aspiration die cuts and they're both numbered to 100? Should have one. Why not make one like 25 or 50? I just don't understand it. Seems kind of weird to me. Oh, geez. Luxury Suite rookie jersey auto. Sean Hunwick to $99. Because in the past, status was the one that was harder to get. And then aspiration was the easier one to get. Aspirations weren't numbered. Well, the rookies were, but you know what I'm saying. Shea Weber, Heart Contenders to $9.99. Johan Hedberg, game-worn gear. Jonas Hiller, Vezina Contenders at $9.99. Here we have a Royal Lineage, Brian Trottier, Brad Boys, and Johnny T. Royal Lineage. Game 2 is tomorrow. Here, I'm going to say that. That's the one that's like bulging. I don't know if it's any different. I might just have like an extra base pack or base card. I don't know. But Intensity of Shea Weber. Numbered to $6.99, Shea Genoway. I still don't know how to say his name, so I'm assuming that's wrong, but that's how I'm saying it. Here's this one. Oh, it's got 2 decoys or 2 hits or something. Oh, what the frick? I kid you not. That's a decoy. That's a it's 2 decoys. Stuck together. What? That's a base pack. Let me make sure you got your number of hits. Should be 4 at least. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 5 still. So, shoo! That's still crazy. And you got 6 because here's an autograph right here. So it probably should have been a hot box. James Reimer, Brendan Dillon, rookie, and Cody Gulubev. Prism rookie auto. So mnum.